Good morning, students. So we are going to understand about images and graphics. Images, you all know, they are very important in a document. Not only it makes a document attractive, but also helps in giving more meaning to your text. So here are 5 ways by which you can insert the pictures in a document in OpenOffice Apache. First is drag and drop. Second, insert picture dialog box. Inserting the image from clipboard. Then you can also put the pictures using scanner and through gallery. So here I am giving you the demonstration. Now as you know that we are going to practice the images. So obviously the first step is you need to save some pictures in your folder. So this is my folder class 10th and I have already saved these pictures. Now if you want to see the thumbnail view of these pictures, all you have to do is right click, go to view and large icons. See, all these pictures are I've already downloaded. Now next step is you will open Apache OpenOffice. So I am clicking on OpenOffice. Once you see OpenOffice, see sometimes this error comes, so you can cancel it, okay, and just open the software again. Right now can you see the software has come. Now here I want to put some pictures, right? So let's see how can we put some pictures. So our first method is drag and drop. So let's see how can we drag and drop the picture from our Windows Explorer. For this you have to go back to your folder, select the picture which you want to place in the document and just bring it into your text document. Now the moment you release your mouse cursor, can you see the picture is placed, right? Have you all understood this first concept? Now let us understand the second method. This is from insert picture dialog box. So how will you find this? So using insert menu, you have to click on picture and then from file. Once you click on file, so you can select the picture which you want to insert and the picture is placed. You can resize the picture using mouse cursor, right, in order to bring the picture properly in the document. Fine, and you can place it anywhere. Now let us understand our next method, that is how to put the pictures through clipboard. So for this you need to understand what is a clipboard. So clipboard is that area where your picture, your text, copied text or copied image is stored till the time you are moving it to some another location. So let's see how. So I am taking you again back to your folder. Select the picture, right click and then go to copy. Picture is copied, or either you can press Ctrl C, come back to your document and here you can press Ctrl V, right? Can you see the picture is again placed? Again you can resize the picture. Now let us understand the next method. So our next method is how to put the picture through scanner. So dear students, although I don't have the scanner, but otherwise if you are having a scanner, so you will click on insert picture, scan and just click on select source. When you click on select source, you will find the picture over here, right, through your scanner. Now let us understand the last part, that is inserting the images from gallery. Now this is your last part. So how can you insert the picture from the gallery? For this is the option. You need to find out the gallery from this option. Now this gallery option is available in the standard toolbar, right? So using this icon, you will click on gallery, and once you click on gallery, you will be, you need to search it where it has gone. So here you need to drag it. Can you see? I am undocking this particular window. So once you drag it down, you will find this gallery. Gallery means predefined pictures that you can easily place in your document. So there are plenty of the pictures. If I want to place this picture, all you need to do is just right click and insert and copy. So the picture is placed, right? I hope all the methods are clear to you. Now next thing I just want to explain you, the moment you select any picture, the moment we select the picture, we will get this picture toolbar. This is a very interesting toolbar, you all have to practice. The first option is from file. That means you can change this picture later on if you want through file. Second is filter. There are lots of filter effects like invert, can you see? And then smooth, so you can apply these filters. Then the third is graphic mode. This is very interesting. At times we want to give our picture watermark effect. Like for example, I have placed a logo of my company and I want to give watermark effect. So all you need to do is select the picture and click on this default option, and from here select watermark. So can you see the image has been converted to watermark effect. Similarly, black and white is there, grayscale is there, and default means by default whatever the picture was there, it will be restored in its default mode. We have two options, that is flip horizontal and flip vertical also, right? Have you all understood, I hope? Now there is one more option. If you want to crop your picture, so you need to right click on the picture and go to this picture option from the pop-up menu. You need to select this picture option and you will find here crop. Can you see? Using this crop option, you can reduce the size of the image. If you want to keep the scale, you can click on this, or if you want to reduce the size, so just see, I am cropping it from left as well as right position. Once I click on OK, so just see the change in the file, right? So this is how I can crop my picture later on also. I hope this demonstration is clear to you. And last thing which I want to explain to each one of you is how can we create drawing objects. So Apache allows you to insert these shapes. Now what is this? This is your drawing toolbar. See, can you see? This is your drawing toolbar. So we have these predefined shapes which we can draw in our document, and we can give meaningful effect to this document. I hope this demonstration is clear to everyone. Kindly practice the demonstration. Thank you very much.